cytotoxic T cell, which is in cell mediated, responds to an intracellular virus. So if we had to put them in the categories, the cell mediated response is better for viruses because they're intracellular pathogens. Humoral is better for bacteria because they're extracellular pathogens. Even more than that, MHC class 1 comes up to any cell that is infected. Now, do bacteria or viruses infect cells? Viruses infect cells, right? So we could say MHC class 1 is better for intracellular viruses. MHC class 2, remember, is referring to, look at what I ate for lunch today. Do phagocytes usually eat viruses or bacteria? They usually eat bacteria because bacteria are inside your cells. They can't hide that well. So MHC class 2 is better for extracellular. Sorry, this is really hard to do. Bacteria. Okay. Well, I think I hit all the main points. Just a very, very quick review, maybe, that I'll do. I lost my cap. Okay, there it is. Phagocytes and B cells do MHC class 2. Phagocyte eats it, presents its epitope, MHC class 2, which attracts a CD4 helper T cell to come. The helper T cell releases cytokines. It makes memory T cells, and then it also talks to B cells. They talk through their CD4 receptor and MHC class 2. The B cell will make memory B cells and plasma cells. Plasma cells are what secrete the antibodies. So the helper T cell is the bridge between cell-mediated, which is in green, and humoral, which is in orange. And remember, the second line of defense and the third line of defense are happening at the same time here too. On this picture, we're talking about any cell that's infected. It's going to be a B cell, a macrophage, dendritic cell, neutrophil, cytotoxic T cell, helper T cell, any cell as long as it's infected. When it's infected, it does MHC class 1. MHC class 1 attracts CD8 receptors, which are found on cytotoxic T cells. Cytotoxic T cells don't release cytokines to recruit B cells. Instead, they release perforin, which pokes holes in the plasma membrane of the infected cell, thereby killing the cell. Cytotoxic T cells never talk to B cells because they don't have the correct receptors to do so. B cells have MHC class 2, cytotoxic T cells have CD8, 2 and 8 don't go together. Remember, we say cell-mediated is better for intracellular viral diseases, whereas humoral is better for extracellular bacterial diseases. MHC class 1 is better for intracellular viral diseases. MHC class 2 is better for extracellular bacterial diseases. Alright, I don't know what else I could say about it. Sorry again for not being able to finish the appointment tonight, but hopefully you could, if you have questions, you can watch us over and over again and help figure it out. And otherwise, just send me an email or text me and I'll try to answer your questions as fast as I can. But besides that, that's all I'm going to talk about in this video. Thank you.